Hi everyone, this is Wendy and I'd like to talk to you a little bit today about meditation. And if any of you would like to learn to go a little bit more spiritual and a little bit more into depth, it's good to find a good meditation circle to sit in. And meditation, it does help you relax as well. And when you learn how to open up your chakras, which will open up your mind, which will open up your heart, you'll be able to feel lovely energy go through you. And meditation is a good way of connecting as well with our soul and our spirit. It's always important as well to feed your soul. It's like there's a lot of people out there who just give and they never take. And then they can get quite low in their energy. So it is always important to feed your soul a little bit. And whether you listen to music or you go out and have a shop now and then, or you treat yourself to a nice meal, always feed your soul because it is so important, which it is. And I think people who connect spiritually as well, it enhances music, it enhances artists, it enhances all creativity that you have. So to connect spiritually can be very important to people who love music, and again to people who want to do art or designers and things like that. So all try to do a little bit of meditation. And also, as I say, you can go to any spiritualist church to sit in. They have open circles, and if you get more advanced you can do closed circles. And also, if you go to a church as well, it's like you have the full protection in the churches, and there'll be somebody qualified who does the circles too. And also, if you do sit in an open circle as well, you get to meet a lot of spiritual people, and it's good to make friends who are on a spiritual level of life. So I say to meditate and to connect spiritually can also enhance life itself, and you learn the beauty of life more. I've done circle work for 3.5 years, and it really helped me a lot to undo my pathway in life. Thank you for watching everyone, and please subscribe. It's love to be spiritual, love the beauty of life. Thank you.